Good day everyone. For today's video, let's tackle about relations and functions. So, relations and functions. We have the definition. Relations is the set of ordered pairs. It's so basic, guys. I have example of a relation in which can see I have four different ordered pairs. We have first negative 1, comma 3, and the second ordered pairs is negative 2, comma 4, and the third ordered pairs negative 3, comma 5, and the last fourth ordered pairs is negative 4 and 6. So right now, proceed na tayo. excuse me. The next terms natin na pag-uusapan natin is when it comes relations and functions, we have here two terminologies. We have the domain X is the set of all first coordinate, also known our input, and the range Y is the set of all second coordinate, our output. Okay? And now, pag sinabing domain, usually guys, pinahahanap natin ang domain at range ng given relation and even the function. So, I will ask the domain X of this even relation sabi sa ating graphemation natin guys. For graphemation, so hahanapin natin dito ang first coordinate. First coordinate if ever kapag may coordinate. Ang coordinates represent is just like X, comma, and Y. So placement natin guys, ang domain or ang X value ay relation natin sa domain, pero pwede natin i-rearrange bilang ganito. Domain 4, comma, negative 3, comma, and negative 2, comma, and last negative 1. And this is the domain of set of all first coordinate, and the range is ang range natin is the set of all second coordinate. So which means is 3, comma, 4, comma, and 5, comma, and 6. This is our range. So now, let's proceed the representation of relation. This is our example. So we have relation of table of values and relation of map diagram and relation of graph. Relations of graph. So this is our X or domain, and this is our range Y. So ang x natin is 1, 2, and 3, 4. And the range or y natin is 1, 3, 4, 5. So, this is function. Or, or sa graphic map diagram natin is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And sa y, 1, 3, 4, 5. So, dapat 1 is to 1. Just like that. So, hindi man yung paulit-ulit yung x natin value. That's why this is function. Relations of function. O sa graphing naman natin is, so, positive 1 ating x and 1 sa y, positive y. So, dito yan. 1, 1. So, sa 2 and 3 is dito. Two, 3. Dito sa 4. 3, 4. And last is 5. 4 and 5. 5. This is our graph. Graph repetition represented. Graph represented. So, this is our graphing the representation of relations, and this is our map diagram of representation of relations, and this is our table of values of relations of our representations of relations. Okay, now let's have definition of a function. When I say function, before let's start this collaborate of this definition, I want to know this one is relation. Parang ganito lang guys. Lahat ng function ay relation. Pero hindi lahat ng relation is a function. Okay? So mas malaki ang sakop ng relation compared kay function. Kasi under lang ni relation ang isang function. Now, we have this relation or relations. So, check lang natin guys. Alin sa dalawa tong ang example ng function as we collaborate this function or definition. Now, function is a relation in which each input x has only one output of y. First relations natin is unahin natin yung value of x, means yung domain natin. Y, 2, and 4. And yung pangalawa natin is 1, 2, negative 2, and 1. So now, we have to kung saan ang function of relation. So guys, this is, so number 1 natin is function. And then, dito sa example number 2 natin is, this is not a function but mere relation or relation. Relation. Siya guys. Relation. So, clarify lang natin guys. Ito. He also example of relation. Pero specific is this specific is classified as function. As sa lahat naman ay relation. Sa second example natin, hindi siya function kasi meron siyang nauulit na x value. Kasi function is a relation in which each input x has only one output. Nauulit kasi yung value of x. Kaya hindi siya function. As you can see sa ating example number 1, hindi siya nauulit. Okay guys? Kaya relation lang siya. All naman, function and relation naman siya all. Okay? So, ito yung ordered pairs natin is as a function. Now, we have to do the table of value. Table of value. X Y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see guys, this is a table of value. As you can see guys, hindi siya nauulit yung x value natin. Kaya function 0, 1, 2, 3. Hindi, kaya siya function. Now, you have example sa map diagram. Map diagram. A, B, C. Ay na lagi. One, two, three. Now, we have to connect this. As you can see, 1 is to 1. That's why function. Okay? So, I hope natutunan nyo ang different definition ng relation, domain, range, and this function. So guys, malawak pa talaga ang function. Now, ito lang yung ituturo ko. Thank you. I hope you learn.